right, so that was our HWP-120 in action. And so this one has the upgraded 6-way wedge in it. I did throw the hitch pin in the bottom of this like we've talked about before. It just gives a little extra play. Not really that I need it now with this new tapered I-beam that's in here, but it's just you get the bottom angle here on the wedge, can push the wood down, and before it was getting pinched as it came through here. So I've just kind of always gotten accustomed to throwing that hitch pin in. Again, it's an 18HX 078E for the saw chain. There's 78 drivers. It's the same bar and chain as the 140. You just get that bigger saw motor on the 140, redesigned grabber arm, a bigger frame for a bigger pusher plate. You know, the distance from where the log sits on the table to the I-beam. This is about 6 inches. The 140 is about 12 inches, so it's just more to push behind it. A little bit heavier. The Toolcat really enjoys running the lighter of the three, the 120 here, because it weighs about 1,200 pounds versus that big 150 that you've seen on this before, because it weighs about 1,900 plus the wood weight. So just give you one last look here, because Mark is on his way from New Jersey to pick this one up, hopefully. So again, give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And would love to hear from you. Would love to earn your business with that sales quote. So please give us a phone call. Shoot us an email. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Thanks for watching. Remember, we're always working hard to be lazy.